let's take a look at the villa. Actually, I did come in, dropped off some of my stuff. This is a deluxe studio in the Grand Californian, and it is huge, but I don't know where the lights are. So the bathroom looks like a standard bathroom. You know, obviously these are older. Where are the light switches? No, that's the electric outlet, by the way, if anyone wants to know. That, same thing, light switches over there. Hi. Okay, so let's back up here. Try to figure out where are the light switches. Maybe this one controls everything? Oh, this is nice. This is a little place where you can put your keys. This is a connecting door, so in case you get one of the larger villas, this door will open, and it's probably a 1-bedroom over there. And then this would make it the 3-bedroom or whatever. So the deluxe studio comes with a microwave, kitchen, a small refrigerator. I like that. That's a nice little setup here. But the best thing is this is a room with a view, of course. This is the king or the queen bed, and then if you know, it suits 4. So this will pull out, pretty sure. Yep. Pulls out to a single bed? Maybe it's a single bed. So maybe this just suits 3 people, I guess. But you got to see my view. That's my view. Is that not awesome? Okay, the locks that I love. Oh, how does this open? Okay, it should open now. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Is that not awesome? That is the special walkway into Pixar. That's the Pixar place entrance. Comes out over here. I'm at the Californian, so I'll walk over towards more to the left, and I'll go in like Grizzly Peak. But I mean, I could technically walk out here to this exit over here, and then walk all the way down here, and then go straight into the California over there, which I might do. But yeah, is this not? Oh my gosh, this is an awesome, awesome view. I don't know if I'll be able to see the color show, the World of Color or not from here, but I might. But anyway, so you get a nice little patio. Nice little patio. Close that off. It's a very large room. This is actually really nice. Hi. The air conditioning is on, so it's blowing me. But this is my like Alani or Polynesian look. It's a little warm. I am wearing a jersey, so it is hot to stand in the sun. Yeah, so this is really actually nice. I hope this bed is a little stiff, which is probably going to be good for my back, if anybody knows. I did have some back issues. Let's take a look. Okay, found the light switches. They're on this side, by the way. And there's the bath. The sink. Here is the closet. It's very large. Nice. I got some bathrobes. Oh, and by the way, these are the California ones. The ones at the Disney Hotel, which I did wear. They say Disneyland Hotel, but I might put that on later. Extra pillows, laundry basket, ironing board, hangers for you to hang your stuff up. There's the safe and iron and anything else that you need, really. It's a pretty large. Oh, look, there's a vacuum in there. There is the little luggage rack, which I will put out my luggage I'm gonna put my luggage rack out over here. I kind of like to do this, and I know it sounds really weird, but I do like to do it like this in front of the connecting doors, just in case, like, you know, someone decides that they want to try to get in. Though, if you can see, it's locked, but sometimes I've been in hotels where people have tried to come through the door, so it's just nice to kind of barricade something there. So I'll put my suitcase there, and then, yeah, so I'm gonna relax a little bit, and I just wanted to show everybody. I don't know if oh yeah, they do. They have the shared shampoo pumps in the shower. It's an older look to the bathroom and everything. Obviously no rain shower, because these villas are probably old or older than some of the other ones that I've been in. Obviously next to the Disneyland ones, this is definitely an older look. But I can't beat that view. That view is fantastic. I love that view. If you want to take a look more at the sink area, there's ice bucket, there's a coffee maker, toaster. Here's your coffee stuff, and your you know, sugars in here. So what is this? Oh, 100-year coffee. I love the Joffrey. I do love Joffrey's coffee. It's actually very good. Microwave. I'm gonna guess. Oh, it's very hard. But there's mugs. I am short, so there are paper towels, paper dishes, plastic utensils. Again, being that this is an older and only a deluxe studio, they don't have the real, like, porcelain plates and stuff. I'm surprised they have the porcelain mugs. Usually they have like paper mugs, so you can also take your coffee to go. Which, let me just see. I can use my, yeah, nope. I wonder if they're over here. Let's see. I might have missed it. No, usually there's coffee, paper cups. Like I said, coffee to go. Down here would be your recycling and garbage, but looks like there's just recycling here, which leads me to wonder, oh, I guess that's my only little trash can. There must be one in the bathroom. Yeah, there's one in the little bathroom. Not very many garbage things. Again, I'll turn that light off, but yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I never noticed if, I think these open, if you want to hold something there. There's a step stool in case you have a small child that needs to step up to use the sink, or, you know, if you need to have a stool to step up and get something. Probably could have used that to get the cups and the mugs from the kitchen area. And I think that's pretty much it. Again, a really nice room. Love it. And oh, let's take a look. We love notebooks and we love pens. Does the pen say Grand Californian? We like those. Oh, here's your telephone, online to go, telephone internet connection. Yeah. Again, ooh, the pillows are spongy, actually. They're like foam. And there are the lights for the bed. Okay, so here is the activity sheet. And if you want to see what's happening, they did tell me that it's early entry tomorrow at Disney, California, and I have a reservation there, so I'll get to go in early if I want to. Here's the rest of the information this week. Tiana. People were already lining up at the cookie station to get gingerbread cookies and stuff, so I don't know if I will grab them today. I might grab them tomorrow. Who knows? So anyway, a lot of people were already in line, and the cookie station wasn't even open. But if you need to, also, they will give you a map. This is the resort. Disneyland Hotel, Downtown Disney. I'm here at the Californian, and here is the Pixar place. But if you want another map of the resort, this is just the Californian. This is where it shows you where your rooms are, but this is kind of just the whole resort area if you need to. They will give this to you along with your key. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys got to see it, but there was an extra drawer over here. Ta-da! This is where they should put in postcards. Disneyland, you need to start making postcards for people. In-room dining, breakfast menu. If you want it early in the morning, you can just order your stuff, hang it on your door, and they will bring it at the time that you're requesting. So beat the breakfast rush if you want to eat in your room. This is your in-room dining, another telephone thing, and another pen. There's the phone I'm going to call for my luggage. Here is the in-room dining. This is always good to have, just in case you get hungry when you come back to the park. Let's see. I'm just going to check to see the time on here. They usually have like a late night. Well, I guess midnight is late night. And here's your beers over here. So, always nice to have in-room dining. This is something that's nice here at California. Hotels, the Disney World hotels, the Polynesian didn't have the room service, so I was really bummed when I was there this fall. So, it's nice that this is here for this one. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, yeah, I'm gonna kind of relax a little bit, unpack, get my luggage up here, and then as you see, it is noon, so I'll probably go grab some food.